Check out this Kia 2019 Sorento 3.3 LX. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Enjoy these notable features: 290 horsepower, 3.3-liter V6 DOHC engine, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, 8-way power adjustable driver's seat, adaptive cruise control, air conditioning with dual-zone climate control, audio controls on steering wheel and automatic transmission. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.